To round numbers off, find the digit in the position you're interested in and look at the next digit, the one to the right. If that digit on the right is less than 5, round down, which means leave your digit alone. If the digit on the right is 5 or more, round up, which means you have to increase your digit by 1. Let's look at some examples. Whole numbers first. Round 342 to the nearest 10. First, find the digit in the tens column, the 4. Look at the digit on the right. It's a 2. That's less than 5, so we'll round down. Leave the 4 as is. 340. Round 2.398 to the nearest whole. First, find the digit position that represents a whole number. That's easy, it's just to the left of the decimal point. Now, look at the digit on the right. It's 3. That's less than 5, so round down. Leave the 2 as it is. The nearest whole number to 2.398 is 2. Notice that it doesn't matter that the next two digits are both bigger than 5. It doesn't matter what they are. You only need to look at the one digit to the right of where you're rounding. Nothing else. Round 28.71 to the nearest whole. Find the whole number digit to the left of the decimal point. Look at the next digit on the right, a 7. That's more than 5, so round up. The 8 has to round up to 9. 29. Again, the 1 after the 7 makes no difference here. Only the single digit on the right of where you're rounding matters. You don't need to look any further. Okay, so let's go further into the decimals. Round 2.69 to the nearest tenth. Well, the process is exactly the same. Find the digit that represents tenths. That's the 6. Look at the next digit on the right, a 9. More than 5, so round the 6 up to 7. 2.7. Round 12.05 to the nearest tenth. Again, find the digit for the tenths. That's the 0. Look at the next digit on the right. It's 5. That's 5 or more, so we have to round up. Round the 0 to 1. 12.1. Getting the hang of this? Round 0.1826 to the nearest hundredth. Well, the digit for the hundredths is the 8. The digit to the right is a 2, so round down. 0.18. Again, any extra digits to the right don't affect the outcome. A couple more interesting cases and then we're done. Round 0.4396 to the nearest thousandth. Well, where's the digit for thousandths? It's the 9. The next digit on the right is a 6, so we have to round up. But if I round 9 up, I get 10. The 9 becomes a 0 and I carry a 1 to the left, which means I also have to round the 3 up to 4. So my rounded answer is 0.440. See what happened there? This process can go further too. Try this one. Round 29.96 to the nearest tenth. Here's the tenths digit, and the digit on the right is 6, so we have to round up. 9 becomes 0, carry 1. The next digit is also a 9, so round it up. 0, carry 1. The 2 rounds up to 3, and our rounded answer is 30.0 to the nearest tenth. 2 questions for you to think about to help you make sure you really understand what rounding is about. Why don't you have to look any further to the right? Why is it that those extra digits on the right don't change the result? And why is it that if the digit on the right is 5, you round up and not down?